Hey lighting fanatics, today I'm going to show you this pack of Sylvania 60 watt equivalent 43 watt clear halogen bulbs. Picked these up at the ReStore in Ocala, Florida about a year ago. Let's take a look at our packaging here. On the top it says Sylvania clear halogen 60 watt replacement using only 43 watts. Down here it says 28% energy savings. There's an asterisk on the side, so it's probably not really 28% energy savings. Light output 765 lumens. That's not horrible, not as bad as the modified spectrum ones would be, because of course these aren't modified spectrum being clear, but that's not quite as much as a real 60 watt incandescent bulb would be either. So, I don't know. Energy used 43 watts, and life 1000 hours. There's two bulbs in this package and they're A19 in shape. Here's the lighting facts. 2900K, so of course not modified spectrum. There you can see a 60 watt incandescent bulb is still a little bit brighter, over 100 lumens brighter, so yeah, I don't know, maybe like a 45 watt would be closer. That's kind of weird. Here's the other side. Same thing as the front, except they claim that they're made in the USA with US and imported parts. Some caution information. LED lamps, so these are not all that old. And then here's the model number, 43A/HAL/CL/2. Here's the top and the bottom with more caution information, blah blah blah. Of course they can explode. There's some more information in here. Sylvania is a registered trademark. And then 4. And then here's the bulb. However, I'm going to take this out, set it aside so I can show the other bulb that's in here, which is definitely not halogen, it's incandescent. And it is a Philips 60 watt. This is an OEM bulb. It would come with a fixture. So I'll show that in a future video for sure. That's kind of a cool bulb. But that's not what we're here for today. We're here to take a look at this bulb. So there you can see the halogen capsule in the middle. Pretty cool. Can't see that on the soft white ones. There appears to be some information on it. Not sure how good we'll be able to read it. There we go, you can read it. Looks like 120 volt, 43 watts. And then some other numbers there. Maybe 1807 means July 2018. I don't know. Here's the base, just a standard silver base. Ceramic black insulator. And here's our etch on top. And let me see here. Can get a flashlight to make that a bit more visible. Sylvania, 800 lumens. Huh. Said 765 on here. But on the etch it says 800. So I don't know if this is the wrong bulb or if they just updated the bulb without updating the packaging. I don't know. But 43 watt, 120 volt, USA, halogen. So now I'll go ahead and get the socket and the kilowatt meter all set up so you can give this bulb a bit of a test. Alright, we got our wonderful kilowatt meter off to the right here. I believe this is the 6th video that we've had it so far. So let's go ahead and screw in the clear Sylvania halogen bulb. And we'll go ahead and plug this on in. And as you can probably tell, we do have the dimmer today because this is a halogen bulb and all halogen bulbs are dimmable. So we'll be able to show this bulb while it's dimmed. So now I'll go ahead and turn off the lights so that we can give this bulb a test. Alright, there we go. We are reading at 122.8 volts. So let's switch that over to watts, and we'll turn this bulb on in 3, 2, 1. And it is drawing 41.8 watts. Very dusty. There we go. And of course that 41.6 watts is not accurate because the dimmer takes away some of the watts for some reason. So let's actually unplug this, plug it in by itself. Now it's 44.3, which is actually above 43, so yeah, that dimmer is taking away quite a bit of the power here. I don't know. But anyway, there's what it looks like while turned on. There's what the halogen capsule looks like with the split filament inside. That's pretty neat. So let's come up here and take a look at how well it illuminates the area. Of course, being a clear bulb, we're going to have some weird light distribution issues. That's just to be expected. But the weird thing is that we also get a shadow of the etch there. You can kind of make out where it says Sylvania and Halogen. That's kind of weird. And of course we have a very nice clean halogen color temperature. We'll actually go ahead and move the camera over here and show what it looks like over here. And then we'll move over here. And we'll zoom in on all those colors. Of course our color rendering is pretty good because this halogen bulb has a CRI of 100. So all those colors are going to look natural. And now we'll come back down here for the second phase of our test, where we will go ahead and dim this bulb. So let's start by dimming it all the way, and the wattage goes down to 8.4 watts. And the bulb starts producing this very ambery orange light, and not very much of it, as you can tell. So now let's bring it up to about halfway, 15.6 watts. There's what it looks like. And now it's somewhere in between amber orange and its normal 2900K white. And finally we'll bring it all the way up once again, and it goes up to 41 watts once again. So now let's turn it off, and we get a nice glow down, and now I'll go turn the lights back on, and we'll end the video. Alright, the lights have been turned back on, and it's time to unscrew this bulb. Still a little bit warm, but not bad. And we'll take one last look at it. There's the base, halogen capsule inside, and the etch. We'll get the packaging back in the frame here, put the bulb beside it, and there you have it. The Sylvania 43 watt clear A19 halogen light bulb. Well, if you enjoyed what you saw, be sure to leave a like down below. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you want to see more cool lighting videos in the future, be sure to subscribe. See you next time.